Hi guys, welcome back to another video, or if this is your first time here, welcome. Today we are going shopping. I'm headed out to Homegoods today, and I feel like every time I do a Homegoods shopping video, I say the same exact thing that I'm looking for, but I just literally have not found what I'm looking for. So I would love a piece of art for this wall. Don't mind the blanket and everything right now, but I would love a piece of art for this wall. I would love to find something really affordable at Homegoods, and then I would love a piece of art for our other like family room area. If you guys have watched a lot of my other videos and you're familiar with that area, we have a sofa and like a blank wall, and the wall really needs something. So I kind of want art that's sort of similar in both rooms, and then we have those new bookshelves in there that I've been trying to figure out how to decorate. So I know I need like a few more knick-knack type things for the bookshelf, but I know I'm probably not going to be done with those bookshelves for a while. It's going to take me a little bit, but I just want to slowly collect things. Last time I was at Homegoods, I literally didn't find anything. I had filmed that for you guys too. That was a little bit over a month ago, which was the last time I was at Homegoods. So I'm hoping I have better luck this time. So if I could find some art, maybe some knickknacks for the bookshelves, and even a rug for the other room. The rug in the other room, I'll show you guys. This rug right here is also from Homegoods, and it is super dingy. The dogs have like totally ruined it. So I would love to maybe get a different one. This one was a 9x12, so I think I definitely would want another 9x12, but just something more plain. This one's a little bit busy. For those who haven't seen this room before, these are the bookshelves. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I was saying in my last video, I think I'm just gonna put the baskets in the cabinets, but I still have to find something for those lower cabinets. And yeah, I don't know, I just think it needs a little bit more. So that's what I'm looking for today. And then this is the blank wall above this sofa. I have a bunch of like, oh, it's a little blurry. I have a bunch of blankets on here right now, so it doesn't look very good, but I need a piece of art for right above here too. Fingers crossed I find something today. Homegoods is always hit or miss. I'm really hoping I score big today. It's always really exciting when you find really great things at Homegoods. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and hopefully you enjoy kind of just seeing what's at Homegoods, even if I don't find anything. So let's get going. We've made it. Can't wait. They have so many spring things out today, and I'm noticing lots of really cool planters. I love these. $24.99 for the big one, $16.99 for the smaller one. Oh, I love these kind of outdoor planters too. That would actually match my outdoor patio furniture. There's a whole aisle of like planters and everything. Love these. I love the ones with like the little wooden stands. These I thought would actually look really cool, and like the big planters that I have by my front door. I showed them in my last video, but they are $50 a piece, but they are super cool. This one is so much like the one I got from Target, except that's $29.99. The one I got from Target was probably $50 or $60. They have a lot of art over here, and I really like this big white piece. I'm gonna move some of this so you guys can kind of see. It's huge. I don't think it like goes with the style of my house, but it is really cool and I like it. Okay, I'm going to look through some of the furniture and stuff just for fun. This mirror, it's so cool. It's $2.79, but it's like this really cool wood color. I love that. It's huge. It seems like a good price for such a big mirror. Taking a peek at some of the rugs, I found one really good one over here, and it is a 9x12. Let's see if I can move some of the other rugs. And it's $3.99. It's like a really good neutral color with some gray. So I love this. But the only problem is the dogs may ruin it, which would be the problem with any rug. The lighter ones are the ones that I have to worry about, but I do love that rug. This is one of those Loi Loi rugs. I think that's how you say it. But it was originally $4.80 and it's $2.99 for an 8x10. I think that's a really cool rug. That's already dark, so the dogs wouldn't really be able to ruin it. It's hard because I want something super neutral, but also something that the dogs can't ruin. So I've kind of wanted to look into those ruggable rugs, but they don't come in 9x12s, I noticed, which kind of stinks. But they always have like some good, affordable furniture. I do need a couple chairs for my formal living room still, but I don't really see anything like that modern that would be what I'm looking for. These are kind of cool though. Not for the living room, but they're cool. And I swear, this chair has been here for so long, and now it's $175 on clearance. I don't think anything's wrong with it either. It is cute. But there's only one. Oh, I love this bar stool. Actually, really reminds me of the ones I have in my kitchen. It's a little bit bigger though. They only have one, but it's cool. And I always love those ones with the wood top with the black bottom. And these are pretty dining chairs. And they have a brass bottom. These kind of remind me of some West Elm ones that I've seen. Those are pretty. Oh my gosh, this Max Studio mirror, like with the rounded edges, is so cool. It's $1.99, but it definitely reminds me of something you'd see at like Restoration Hardware or something. It's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna start to look through some of the art. How cool is this mirror though? It does have a crack in it, but it's really unique. I love the art that's in these like acrylic frames. I just like that. I mean, not that piece of art, but obviously something more neutral, but I like those little boxes. I think they're cool. Every time I'm here, there are these super colorful animal prints. I'm ready for Homegoods to get something new in. These are here every time, like for the past year. I'm actually obsessed with this one. It's $129. I just wish it was bigger. It's actually kind of small. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's in the shadow box. It's neutral. They also have some other ones in these shadow boxes. These are neutral too. I just don't think all the glittery stuff would look really good on my walls, but I think that's about it for the art this time, unfortunately. Okay, and I'm hoping this is where I'll find things for the bookshelves, but I kind of want something like this. This is like $50, but it's way too big for the bookshelves. So something like that on a smaller scale would be perfect. See, even these are really pretty. I don't know if they're like too coastal for my style or not. I don't think so, but these would look really pretty on the bookshelves. The smaller one's $19.99, but I could even have them stacked. This isn't actually a part of it, that's just taped on there. That could be really pretty. It's so hard to pick things for those bookshelves. Oh my goodness, but those are really cool. And then I seriously love all of this stuff. It's like really, really heavy duty. I don't think this would like really go because it's very like beachy vibes, but it's so pretty. I love all of that stuff. See something like this item right back here, or there's one with like a mirror on it. I don't know if that would look good, but I need to feel if they're like too heavy or not. Oh, this is very light. This might work better than this one. It's kind of cute. I was thinking these bookends would be perfect. I want to find another one. This bookend, it just kind of looks like a big gem. It's $14.99. But I really want two. I love all of the cute Easter baking things. Look at this. The Ray Dunn. That's adorable. They even have an Easter rolling pin, baking set. They have a bunch of adorable stuff. Wow, this just looks like Easter threw up over here. So many like little wreaths and things. There's a wreath with bunny ears. I think I'm leaving with some good things. Have a blanket back here for the dogs. But I got this for the dogs. And I don't know how to keep them, but I'll show you guys the rest of the items when I get home. I didn't find that much, but it seemed like the things I needed were like necessities. So like I said, everything that I got today was kind of more like a necessity. They aren't things that I'm like super excited about. I would have been really excited if I found art, maybe a rug, some things for the bookshelves. Really just the things that I grabbed were just things that like I kind of like random finds that I needed around the house. But maybe I just need to come to Homegoods more often. Maybe I'm not here like quick enough when they get the new things in. So really I'm only here maybe once a month or once every couple months, and I film whenever I come. So I'm really not here that often. So maybe I just need to pop in more frequently. But now I think I'm gonna run a couple more errands. I have a return at Target, and I think I'm gonna run into Nordstrom Rack because I know Joshua needs some different shoes, like for work, like some black ones because he wears the same like brown ones every day. So I feel like Nordstrom Rack has really good shoes in there, so I might run in there really quick. Other than that, I will show you guys my Homegoods finds when I get home. I am back from a long day of shopping. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Homegoods, and like I said, I think I had mentioned in the video that I was running over to Nordstrom Rack too because it's right next to my Homegoods. And the only thing I got there was a pair of shoes for Joshua. But I just wanted to show them because I knew I was going to find shoes there for him. They always, that's where I get like all of his shoes because they're real leather, they're high quality, and then I always can get a good deal. So these are the Born brand. I know they're not like super fancy or anything crazy, but these are like perfect for him for work. He likes a nice slip-on shoe. And they're Borns, so Born shoes are always like so comfortable. His brown ones that he wears are Borns as well. So I got them for $69 from Nordstrom Rack. So they're real leather, really nice quality. I just kind of compare it to the ones at Kohl's. Like all of the Kohl's shoes, he's gotten a few pairs from there before. And I don't believe that the leather is actually real on the shoe. And they're like not on sale, they would be around a similar price. So I just feel like these are a really good deal. Off to what I got from Homegoods. I hope the lighting is okay. I actually got a few things for just like around the house, organizing, stuff like that. I ended up finding this little tiny trash can with a lid. I always like to have a trash can with a lid in the bathrooms. This is just a plain black one, and it was $12.99. So I thought this would look great in our half bathroom, which I have not shown the reveal of that yet. Some people asked about that in the comments. I will soon. Something else I got for that bathroom was this. It's a little soap dispenser, and it's just kind of like in this clear acrylic. I don't think this is glass, it just feels like clear acrylic, and then it has a black top. So I thought this would look really nice. I was actually struggling with what kind of soap dispenser to have in there, and then I saw this and I was like, this is pretty nice. So this was also $12.99. And then a couple other things I got were these little Lazy Susans. These are gonna go in my kitchen above the oven. Is where I keep like all of our spices and olive oil and stuff like that. So I wanted to have them on trays because they're kind of high up. So I thought it would be nice to be able to like spin it around. So I got a couple of those. I might need a third one too, but I want to do a kitchen organization video for small kitchens because my kitchen is not huge and everything needs to have a space. So I'm gonna work on that and maybe do a video on it. And then I got this. You got 2 bins for $9.99, and I was thinking about using these under my sink because I don't have anything under there for all the cleaning products or whatever under my sink. So I thought this might be nice, and you got 2. And then the last thing I ended up getting was that dog bowl for the dogs, and I wish I would have got a clip of this because they were outside and I washed it and filled it up with water. As soon as they came in, they both ran over to the new water bowls. They were just going to town on that thing. Like, they loved it. And there was water everywhere. Like, it was like they were just drooling water. I don't know. They were going crazy on it. I've never seen them that excited to drink water before. I will insert a clip of it just so you guys can see what it looks like. But I like that it's a little more elevated, especially for dude. He's really big. He's like 80 pounds. So I like something that's a little taller for him because he does seem to really have to stretch his neck down. I know there are mixed reviews about like the elevated dog bowls and stuff, but I just thought we would try it for a little bit and see. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this shop with me, a little haul, and let me know what you thought in the comment section down below, where you would like to see me go shopping next. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the thumbs up button, and I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I will see you really soon in my next video.